And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can make money with your smartphone, make $50 to $80 really easy, plus this is actually worldwide. Also, if you want to learn how to create passive income right here online, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation. Plus, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to go and hit subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos, because I upload every single day multiple ways for you to make some money. That being said, let's roll that intro. What's up, stackers? Paddy here with StackinProfit, and today I'm showing you a website called producttube.com. So, what is ProductTube? Well, this is an app you can download, and then they reward their users for buying products that you already buy and consume, and to make videos on those products. And the good thing about this can be done from your smartphone and you don't need a computer. So let's have a little look at the website. So how it works. Sign up, so you go to producttube.com from your smartphone or laptop and sign up. You will start receiving invites to video projects, follow the simple instructions to record your product experiences, upload videos to ProductTube directly from your phone using our iPhone or Android app. Or you can do it online, on your laptop. But get rewards. So within 48 hours, you will start receiving your rewards via Amazon gift cards. So how much can you actually earn from doing this? So if we scroll down just a little bit more, you can make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month, which is pretty crazy just for making like these short review videos on products that you already buy and consume. So there's two types of videos, both of which can be recorded simply using your phone camera, no additional equipment or software required. So if you come here, well, like as always, I'm going to leave a link for this down in the description below so you can go through and check it out. So there's two types of videos. You've got your in-store videos and your at-home videos. And if you in-store, if you log into ProductTube, once you receive new project notifications in your email, next time you're in the store, make a short video showing how you shop in that category. Hold your phone in one hand and start recording. Record and narrate your decision-making process. Log into ProductTube to upload directly from your phone. Then with the at-home videos, you log into ProductTube. Once you receive your project notifications, make short videos using the product and tell us about your experience. For certain projects, you may be recontracted to make future videos for additional incentive. Log into ProductTube to upload directly from your phone. So this is really simple. I think this is a great way to make some extra cash, make an extra $50 to $80 per month. So if this is something that you're interested in, then go through the link down below and go and check it out. So you receive your rewards within 48 hours. Videos should be watchable and audible, but not need to be edited. So you don't have to edit it. It's simply make the videos and then upload them. So testimonials. People are actually really liking this app, and I'll go to the reviews in a minute. So if we come down to here, what happens to my video? So your video is reviewed for market research purposes only. It is never shared with other websites or used directly for advertising or marketing. So they're just literally using your videos for research. So how do you receive your rewards? Go to rewards under producttube.com and redeem your rewards towards an Amazon e-gift certificate. Now this is what I want to do. I'm going to go over to the Google Play Store so we can just take a little look at the app. As you can see, they've only had just a little less than 500 downloads so far. But if we go to the reviews, you can see that they've got an average 4.5 star review. So there's a lot of people liking this. So far, the jobs are simple and quick. The directions are easy to understand, follow, and qualifying for jobs, while not guaranteed, is fairly easy to obtain. Great app and opportunity. Very good app. As you can see, there's a hell of a lot of people liking this, and they've actually had 10,000 plus installs. So this is growing. This is a great opportunity to make some extra cash. But if you're looking to make more than just some extra cash and you want to create a real income, passive income online, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation, and I'll send that information straight to your email inbox. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.